Ah man, just published a brand new CSGO trade ups video. Can't wait to just sit back and enjoy that juicy CSGO ad revenue.
Ring, 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 a ling,
Oh, 1 second. It looks like I'm getting a call here. Yeah, I watch Master Shiny. How'd you know? You say you don't like him because he feels inauthentic? You do know that he went from nothing to a knife, right? Like actually nothing to a knife. Well, how about this? I'll make a deal with you. What if he did like weekly videos on different side hustles and then just kind of showed you how they work? He does them for a certain period of time and he'll show you the exact results and how he got there. This could help you get like some extra free CSGO skins or just extra money depending on what you're doing and what you're looking for. How about that? Well, that sounds good, but there is one thing you have to do. You have to drop down in the comments below what side hustles you want to see next.
Hey, what are you doing? Can't you see that website is obviously a scam? I mean, just look at it. Why would they pay out money to you? It doesn't make any sense. And second of all, how would they even track your data? Using the same thing advertisers use? Psh, come on now.
Hey guys, Master Shiny here, back to explain how businesses work. See, the way businesses work is they offer a service that also benefits them. Here you can see a lot of different offers. What happens is when you complete the offer and they get paid out from the offer wall, they're going to go ahead and give you a certain percentage of the money. Usually it's 50%, and that's why with this 50% bonus right here, you're going to be actually getting 75% of the total amount, meaning that free cash is taking 25% provided no one referred you. This is how these websites function and actually turn a profit. Hey, what's up guys, Master Shiny here. I want to give you a proper introduction. Welcome to my brand new series on side hustles. My goal is to come out with this once a week. It might be once every other week, just depending on how well and efficiently I'm able to churn out these videos. I do want you to note that these videos are not sponsored and are not going to be able to be sponsored. My goal with this is to have a little bit more fun than usual. It's something that I usually don't really do. It's kind of more interactive, but at the same time, it's still going to be quite beneficial and entertaining to watch moving forward. This first episode here, we're going to be focusing in on making money online. Now, I went with free cash for this because they are the biggest out there, and if anyone's going to be a reputable source, it's going to be them. Now, there are other websites. I'm going to link them down in the description. That is a referral link. I do want you to note that if you do sign up with that and complete tasks, I will get 5% of whatever you complete. And if you have a friends, go ahead and use that. I'm going to link a couple. Make sure you always check out which ones are out there because you want to make sure you're getting the best bang for your buck. But let's hop on into it. All right, so my game plan coming into this. We've got a lot of these tasks on Ayet Studios that have the breakdown. And this is exactly what I'm looking for because they have the 50% bonus going on, which is going to be something we're going to try and exploit here to gain a lot of money without doing anything. A lot of these ones that have multiple different sections you can do have something where you can purchase a package, usually like $5 or $10, and usually that gives you roughly the amount of coins you spent, so you can hopefully try and get the rest of the game. That's what their goal is. But here, now that we got the 50% boost on, we can get a 50% return on this. We're going to be spending around $10, maybe $10.50 with tax, and getting around $15 back in coins. I'm going to try and do this for a couple and see how it goes. All right, so we're checking in here. We're almost 3 hours in, and I've been going decently hard. Now, you'll notice I don't have a ton of coins up here. You know, I've only got like 900 more than when you last saw me, which is like a whole 90 cents, but I think we should have some more on the way. I've completed a couple offers that do take some time to pay through, so I'm hoping that those are going to start coming through and we can be in a little bit better of a situation, because right now we're only about 90 cents since we're earning about 30 cents an hour, but I think soon as those comes through, we're going to be in a much better situation. I told you, bro. I told you we'd be coming back. We're about 3-ish hours in fully now. And man, look up here, we got 20,000 coins. Now that's not a ton because I'm gonna explain to you what exactly I did. Over here on Ayet Studios, they have these things where you can buy stuff and earn coins. I bought a $10 package, got 15,000 coins, but we're basically gonna take away 10,000 of that. So we're just gonna say I'm at 10,000 there. But that's not the important part. The important part, come over here to the leaderboard and you can see that I am in 17th place, and it says I've earned 90,000 coins today, and I'll tell you exactly why. Over here you can see that the offer titled Abra Android and iOS worth 75,000 coins is pending and automatically released in 7 days, meaning that I went ahead and I completed this one right here and got $75, which is absolutely crazy. Now it just shows the Android because I already did the iOS version of it, but that's absolutely insane that we earned $75 be released in a week, because you do have to have the account open for a week. And I believe that's about it for this one, but I'm super excited that we're now in a pretty decent position. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Rank number 3. Number 3, yeah, that's an extra $17 on top of the $119 we've earned in coins today. Now, I do want to warn you, obviously, I have put some money in. I was talking to you in the beginning about doing some tasks that require you to put money in. I have participated in those tasks, obviously, because I wanted to get as high as I can here. So let's talk here. I'm probably going to end up in 3rd place, which is definitely good because I'm still getting a free $17. Now I'm going back through and looking at this, and I completely forgot to tell you where the rest of my coins came from to get me on that leaderboard. I went ahead and I purchased a $20 package in the game State of Survival that gave me 28,000 coins. Would have been nice to get 2nd place, but we'll take 3rd place. It is what it is. The one thing is I definitely could have used my time a little bit better. The last hour I was really searching pretty deep into these offer walls, and I really didn't find anything that really was worth the time. Alright, so it's about 6:30, you can kind of see it down here, but we're wrapping up day 1 here. There's not going to be any other days, but what I'm going to do is periodically update this throughout the week as I start to see some more coins roll in, because I am technically at 125,000 right now, but that is still quite a bit lower than what I should be. So we're going to see at the end of this what offers did come in, what offers didn't come in, and all the sorts of that.
The next day.
Okay, so I said it was going to be 1 day, but I just saw this offer pop up for $125. And if we head over to the leaderboard, there is a lot of people that claimed this yesterday and today. You can see there's so many people that have claimed this that I feel like I've got to give it a shot just to see how long it's really going to take. Go ahead, stop that timer. We just got it. We got paid. Look at that. We are rank 9. 125,000. You can see we got paid for it up here, which is absolutely crazy. Awesome to see. Very excited about that. That is a huge W. We've earned $125 today, which is crazy. Now to do this, I spent $37 on the actual game itself, but I mean, that's just a crazy payout. And I don't know exactly how long, but that took me maybe 2 hours maximum. I don't even think it took me that long. This is a huge W. And just to clear everything up here, we've got 280,000 coins here, with 1 million coins being $1,000. So we've got $280 here. Now, obviously, if you watch the video, we did spend some money, but this is completely proven that you can definitely make a significant amount of money with this one. Now, something interesting and notable that you need to know is I had 3 offers that didn't actually pay me, 2 of which were financial services in which I signed up using my real info, so that kind of made me upset. The one that made me the most upset was this 3-tile game or whatever. I was upset because I spent actual money in game. I think it was about $2 I spent, and I was supposed to get around $3 in coins. Never got those, so definitely be careful in which offers you do. But as always, guys, I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.